Hi everyone! I'm going to reveal the Poppy Field Cricut Mystery Box. It does include a brand new Cricut Cutie. The color is Poppy. You can find links and discount information in the description below if you're interested in purchasing. Thank you for using my affiliate links. I would earn a small commission, but that's never at any extra cost to you. So let's have a look at what's included. And here's the cutie. Isn't it gorgeous? You know what? It looks very bright in this lighting. I always have an issue with the lighting in this room. I have to find a way to make it better. But you can see in the image right here that the color is more muted. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a brand new color. It's called Poppy. I really don't like showing it to you like this because it looks like bright orange. It really isn't bright orange. It's a gorgeous muted poppy color. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see what else is included. Our first item is a set of standard grip mats. You have two 12 by 12, super handy. Then we have Cricut foil iron-on, 12 by 24, one sheet in rose gold. Gorgeous. Put that there. We have glitter iron-on in pink, one sheet of 12 by 19. We have glitter iron-on, 12 by 19, one sheet in black gold. Beautiful. We have glitter iron-on in fluorescent orange, one sheet of 12 by 19. Again, beautiful. We have everyday iron-on, one sheet in raspberry. Beautiful. Let's move this over. And we have 12 by 5 feet of heat transfer vinyl, HTV iron-on in silver. Isn't it gorgeous? 5 feet. So this is the Poppy Field Mystery Box. As mentioned, links and discount info is in the description below. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box. Thank you for watching.